A tree used in multi-story systems in agroforestry. What tree is it? Introducing big-leaf mahogany, Swietenia macrophylla of the family Miliaceae. The genus name Swietenia was named after the 17th century Dutch botanist Hugo de Swieten, who contributed to studying tropical plants. The species name Macrophylla comes from the Greek words makros, meaning large, and phylon, meaning leaf, referring to the tree's large leaves. Big-leaf mahogany is native to Peru and Brazil in Central America. It was introduced in the Philippines in 1914. It is naturalized in the Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, and Hawaii. Big-leaf mahogany is a large tree with a height of 30 to 40 meters and a diameter of 1.5 to 2 meters. The tree has long top roots, widely spreading lateral roots, a buttress trunk, or a cylindrical bole. Its bark is smooth when young, and the wood varies from light reddish or yellowish brown to dark red. Big-leaf mahogany wood is strong and is usually a source for furniture, musical instruments, ships, doors, coffins, and decorations. It is used in both shipbuilding and pattern making. Logs are used in the manufacture of veneers and for paneling. It is used in multi-story systems in the Philippines. Big-leaf mahogany has been used in Asia and many other countries to treat diverse ailments based on its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-mutagenic, anti-cancer, anti-tumor, and anti-diabetic activities. Almost all parts of the plant are used in traditional medicine to treat various human ailments. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.